Hi friend, my name is Pushpinder Saini. Once again I came with a very interesting tutorial. In this tutorial I will tell you how you can open your Unity application with Android application. Okay, from the Android application. In here I will take one button in Android application and I will open my Unity application. Okay, so let's begin with it and understand the complete flow of development. So guys, this is my fresh Unity project. First of all, I will export this into Android Studio. Okay, so how we can do? Command Shift B. From here I will click on export button. Here you can see already it is selected, and before selecting I will tell you what settings you have to set. From here you can set the your product name. Okay, and make sure you must have package id, otherwise it will give you error. And the two more important thing is scripting backend. It must be IL2 CPP, and target architecture must be always 64. Okay, I'm 64. So after selecting all these things, just click on export button. Okay, and choose the desired location where you want to import this project. I want to import this project on desktop, so I select desktop, click on choose button. Now it will take some time. Okay, fine, build has been success. Okay, I'll open my desktop and here it is my project. Okay, now what I have to do, I need to import this project into Android Studio. So now I will open my Android Studio. This is my Android Studio. From here I will select import project. Okay, click on that, and from here choose desktop and select on project, open it. Again it will ask you for NDK, so click on OK. And second thing, it will ask you for it's want to use Android SDK. Okay, so select as use Android SDK. Now it will take some time again. Close, click on OK, click on close. It will take some time for complete process. Okay, fine, now this is done. Now first of all I will make this project as a library. Okay, so open your build.gradle, and from here first thing replace this application with library, and second thing remove this application ID. Okay, and also remove this bundles. Fine, after that click on sync now. And if you want you can update this with the latest version. It is 3.6.3 and this is 29, which is current API. So change all with 29 and again click on sync. So it's done. Now second things, open your Android manifest file, rearrange and comment this one or delete this one. Okay, so fine, you have done with Unity. Now what you have to do, click on clean project and from here open this as project, expand. So now click on build, click on rebuild project. So it will take again some time. So here it is, output AAR file. Okay, so what we require we got it. Now I will create one new Android project where I have to use this library. Okay, so new project. So this is my fresh project called as my games finish, and this is here. Now Again it will take some time to process the build. Now it is here. Now I will create the bundle inside that. Okay, sorry, I will create the module. So command and semicolon, select module, click on plus button, select here, import a jar or a AR file. From here select the location of your jar file, AR file. So desktop, skill games, build, output, here it is. So I select it and click on, or before do one thing, I'll rename this. Okay, build outputs AAR. I'm going to rename this. I'm going to remove this space. Sometime it may create issue. So here it is. Now from here I'll choose skill games. Okay, click on finish. Okay, fine, click on apply. Now this has been came here, so click on OK. Now you can see skill games came here. Now second step is open your setting file, setting.gradle. Here we will verify yes it is here, so leave it as it is. Now open your build.gradle and here first thing update this one, and secondly implement project. Here I'll give path, and path is colon name of the my library. Okay, so click on sync now. Fine, it is done. Now open your main activity, open XML design. So this is your XML design here. So this is button and ID, button click. Okay, it could be anything in your case. So here I'll take the reference of this one, button equals find view by ID and r dot ID dot button. Now button click dot set on click listener, new on click listener. So here I'll open my mediator activity. So for that I have to create one mediator activity. Okay, so sorry, open activity, empty activity, and here say name as Unity holder activity. Okay, click on finish. Yes, Unity holder activity is here. So from here I will open intent equals new intent, and here main activity dot class, and I'll pass Unity holder activity dot class. Okay, and this should be this class replaced with this. Now start activity with intent. Fine, so from here my holder activity will appear, and from holder activity, this is the mediator activity. From here I'll open, replace this with Unity holder activity, and here Unity player activity from my package. Okay, make sure it should be with your current package name. Okay, so means it should be your Unity package name. So here it is. Okay, if you want to send some data from here, then you can send intent dot put extra here name of the string, name, and here value. Okay, it could be anything. So that's fine for now. Now open your manifest file, and here we have to take one line, replace and replace will be with Android colon theme comma Android dot icon. So it's done. Now let's see the output. Here I'm running in Pixel 2 simulator. I'm trying to run into the simulator, okay? So from here click on hello words. Okay, it is simulator now, so I will run it on real device, okay? So from here I will select my real device, okay, and here I will run. Now I am waiting for the response. So this is my games. Here click on hello words. So here you can see Unity is opening, okay? So this is my complete code. I hope you like the video and you completely understand the complete structure of library and understand the how you can make the library, how you can open this in native Android application. So if you have any doubt related to this tutorial, then please comment into the comment box, and this video is really helpful for you, then please click on subscribe button and keep watching to my channel, because on my YouTube channel you will find lots of videos every day with the new technology, new techniques. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Bye bye.